orbital velocity.
Yes, sir.
So simply expression for V naught. Now consider a body revolving around the earth in a circular orbit. So simply this is a earth. The body is nothing but satellite. The satellite is revolved around the earth in
Yes, sir.
circular
Circular
orbit.
orbit.
Yes. Now here capital M means
Mass of the earth.
capital R means
Radius of the earth.
small m means
Mass of the bodies or satellite.
height. H is nothing but height.
Height.
Small r is nothing but sometimes r plus
R
h.
plus
That is
H.
nothing but
Orbital
orbital
radius.
radius.
Yes, sir.
From here to here. Now V naught is nothing but
Orbital velocity.
simply. Hence, the gravitational force provides the centripetal force. Simply, the centripetal force is equal to
Gravitational force.
yeah. Centripetal force general formula
M square by R.
R. Now here R is nothing but the
R
radius
plus
total
H.
from here to here. So
Yes, sir.
simply M V naught
V naught
square
by
by
R plus H.
R plus H. Again, capital G. It is a gravitational force. Newton's
Yes,
law
sir.
of gravitation. That is nothing but
Yes.
మనకు object వస్తుంది కదా.
Yes, sir.
So small capital G, capital M, small m by R plus H whole square. Now small m cancel.
V naught.
So here R plus H whole square and one cancel
R
it.
plus H cancel.
The remaining part
V naught square is equals to capital G capital M by R plus H. V naught equal to under root G M by R plus H.
R plus H. Again, now here, for example, R is greater than H. Therefore, R plus H is equal to R.
R.
Why? Because the radius of the earth is more compared to object
height.
of the height.
Yes.
So simply, if R is greater than H, the body is revolving very close to the earth. So V naught is equal to Gm by R.
R.
Yes or no? Because of
Yes.
R plus H is equal to R.
R.
Next, the relation between small g, capital G. Small g equal to second question lo vastund idi. Sorry, గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి sir. Small g is equal to capital G, capital M by R square.
R square.
So therefore, it 2 times in the side vaste small g, capital R is equal to capital G, capital M by R.
R.
Simply, so small capital G, capital M by R is instead of
GR.
Yes. So simply orbital velocity general formula V naught is equal to root of
GR.
Don't forget. So once again I will repeat. What is the definition?
The horizontal velocity required for an object to revolve around the planet in a circular orbit is called orbital velocity.
Simply, Nana, don't forget. So orbital velocity, which formulas taken mean?
V naught is equal to gravitational
force. So already diagram is explanation. For example, capital M, capital R, small m, H, R, V naught. You know. Simply, centripetal force is equal to
gravitational force.
ఒకసారి derivation మొత్తం చూడనా?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes. Once again.
Okay, sir.
Right. ఈ క్లాస్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత నేను క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ పంపిస్తాను మా కాలేజ్ది. అప్పుడు నువ్వేం చేయండి అంటే ఎన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ రాయగలుగుతావో ఒకసారి చెక్ చేసి నాకు ఒకసారి పవన్ సార్కు రిప్లై ఇవ్వు.
ఓకే.
ఈ క్లాస్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత నువ్వు ఎన్ని చేయగలుగుతావు? 4 మార్క్స్ ఎన్ని చేయగలుగుతావు? 2 మార్క్స్ ఎన్ని చేయగలుగుతున్నావు? 8 మార్క్స్ ఎన్ని చేయగలుగుతున్నావు?
ఓకే.
రైట్. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ 5th క్వశ్చన్ చూడనా?
5th question. What is escape velocity? Obtain an expression for it.
Yes, escape velocity. For example, this is a Earth
Yes.
of radius,
R.
mass
M. Capital M.
M. So, for example, satellites మనం లాంచ్ కు బిఫోర్ సర్ఫేస్ మీదనే ఉంటుంది కదా నాన్న.
Yes, sir.
ఆ తర్వాత మనకు శాటిలైట్స్ ని మూవ్ చేస్తాం. సో మాస్,
Yes.
satellite mass is nothing but small m.
Small m.
So v is nothing but like here. Simply, what
Escape.
is the definition?
The minimum velocity required for the body to escape from the gravitational influence of the planet is called escape velocity.
What is the formula of escape velocity?
V is equals to under root 2gr.
Yes, once again, the minimum velocity required for an object ఎందుకు to escape from
Escape
the
gravitational
influence.
influence.
ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఏదైనా బాడీ పైకి వేసి మళ్ళీ కిందికి వస్తుంది కదా.
Yes, sir.
అలా కాకుండా పైకి వెళ్ళిపోవాలి. అంటే ద మినిమం వెలాసిటీ రిక్వైర్డ్ ఫర్ అన్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్
To escape from the gravitational influence of the planet is called escape.
expression for the v. Simple. Consider a body at rest on the surface of the earth. Let capital M. What is capital M here?
Mass of the earth.
What is capital R?
Radius of the earth.
Small m.
Mass of the body.
V.
Escape velocity.
Yeah, next. Gravitational potential energy. That is nothing but gravitational force.
Force.
Last question. Like
Yes,
this
sir.
is gravitational force.
Force.
Now here,
Gravitational
gravitational potential energy. What is the formula of gravitational potential energy?
Minus gmm by r.
Yes, small m, capital M, capital G, capital R.
Yes.
Next, let the body be projected with velocity v. Now the kinetic energy is equal to
half mv square.
Yeah, this is potential energy, gravitational potential energy. This is kinetic energy. So the body escape from the gravitational influence of the planet, like that Earth. That is PE plus KE is equal to
0.
Yes, once again, if the body escape from the gravitational influence of the planet. Yes. So substitute like PE and KE.
Yes, sir.
Now PE is equal to minus of capital G, capital M, small m by R.
R.
Plus
half
kinetic energy.
Half
M square is equal to 0. This minus is going to this side. Again plus.
Yes.
Of m cancel. Small m
Yes,
cancel. Now half mv square. Actually గా నీ మెటీరియల్ చాలా సోది ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది, నన్ను అవసరం లేదు, ఇంత రాస్తే సరిపోతుంది.
ఓకే సార్.
half mv square is equal to capital G, capital M by R.
V square equal to 2gm by R.
The 2 is going to the side. So v square is equal to
2gm by R. V equal to under
and again square with the root.
Yes, sir.
2gm by. You know the relation between small g, capital G?
Yes, sir. Gr equal to gm by R. Yes, sir.
Substitute. So v is equal to root of
2gr.
Yeah. Once again, what is the escape velocity definition?
The minimum velocity required for the body to escape from the gravitational influence of the planet is called escape velocity.
Diagram. Observe the diagram and explain the diagram.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Clarity on that? M, yes, capital M, small m, V. Now, what is the general formula of gravitational potential energy? Minus
G, capital M, small m by R.
Yes. Let the body escape with velocity V.
Then kinetic energy equal to half mv square.
What is the condition to escape the body? The body escape from the gravitational influence of the planet is nothing but kinetic energy plus potential energy equal to 0. Yes. Okay, now?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah, superb. So, escape velocity completed,
Orbital velocity.
orbital velocity is completed. Now I am going to very important question also. Sixth question open channel.
Yes, sir.
Sixth question.
What is a geostationary satellite? States its uses.
Yes. Definition of geostationary satellites. It
Mm.
is nothing but
If
if
the
the
period
period of revolution of
revolution
an
of an artificial satellite is equal to
satellite
the
is
period
hmm,
of rotation of Earth, such satellite is called geostationary satellite.
satellite. What is the time period of rotation of Earth?
24 hours.
24 hours. ఆ వర్డ్ రాసినా ఇంకా హ్యాపీగా ఉంటుంది.
Mm.
So once again, what is a geostationary satellite means?
If the period of revolution of an artificial satellite is equal to the period of rotation of the Earth, such satellite is called geostationary satellite.
What is the geostationary satellite uses?
Yes, to study the upper layers of atmosphere, to forecast the
Hmm.
changes in atmosphere, to know the shape and size of the Earth, to transmit TV programs.
Yes, simply to study the upper layer of why? Because satellites uses so study the upper layer of the atmosphere
Forecast
and
the changes in atmosphere,
mm, mm,
to
know the
know the
shape and
shape
size of
and
the
size of the Earth, to
transmit TV
transmit
program.
TV programs.
ఓకే ఇక్కడ వరకు ఎనఫ్ బట్ ఇంకా రాస్తే క్లియర్ గా మనకు ఐడియా ఉండడానికి ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ టీ
Mm.
24 hours
24
హెచ్
hours.
హెచ్ ద హైట్ ఆఫ్ ది ఎర్త్
36,000 kilometers.
ఫర్ జియోస్టేషనరీ సాటిలైట్ దిస్ వన్ డీటెయిల్స్ ఓకే
H equal to
ఓకేనా
36,000 kilometers.
ఓకే రైట్ నెక్స్ట్ నౌ ది ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ going to first question. Tell me.
1 minute, sir.
Okay, no problem.
State Kepler's law of planetary motion.
Yes, generally Kepler provides three laws. One is orbital
Law,
velocity, law of orbit. Another one is
law of areas,
another
law
one
of
is
periods,
yes. What about law of orbit?
orbits. All planets move in elliptical orbits with the sun at one of the foci.
Yeah, this is like that. This is a major axis. Like
Mm.
this is a minor
Minor
axis.
axis.
So total length of the major axis is 2a. Total length of the minor axis is 2b.
2b.
Yeah, simply. So sun it is foci. Once again repeat. What is the law of orbit?
All planets move in elliptical orbits with the sun at one of the foci.
Yes. Next, what is the law of area?
The line joining the planet to the sun sweeps equal areas in equal intervals of time.
Or
Aerial velocity of the planet is constant.
simply word. So equal areas in equal interval of time.
Mm.
Okay, the line joining between like this one, sun and
Yes,
planet,
sir.
like this is a planet, like
Mm.
sometimes. So simply the aerial velocity of planet is constant. That means
Constant.
d
dA
of
by
a by
dt
dt
equal to
constant.
constant.
Now, what is the law of period?
The square of the period of revolution of a planet around the sun is directly proportional to the cube of the semi-major axis.
Therefore, like square of the, that means t square.
Mm.
Now, a cube means what is a? Simply 2a is nothing but major
Major
axis.
axis.
Half is
Major
nothing but
axis.
a. Yeah. So the proportionality cube of the semi-major
Major
axis.
axis.
So simply the square of the period of
Mm.
revolution of an planet around the
The
sun is directly proportional to the.
cube of the semi-major axis.
So 100% you can write here t square is directly proportional to a
A
cube.
cube.
Okay, now so clarity is my question. Clarity on the
Oh, yes, sir.
right. Now second one.
Second. Derive the relation between acceleration due to gravity at the surface of a planet and gravitational constant g.
Yeah, simply, this is a Earth.
Mm.
O is the center of the Earth.
Earth.
M is the mass of the Earth.
Earth.
Capital M.
Yes, sir.
Small m is the object like body of the mass.
Mm.
Is on the surface of the Earth. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
R is the radius of the Earth.
Radius of the Earth.
Yeah. Now, first point, consider a body on the surface of the Earth.
Earth.
Let, what is capital M?
Mass of the Earth.
Capital R?
Radius of the Earth.
Small m?
Mass of the body.
Yes. So, next, the gravitational force acting on the body. If generally F equal to ma. Now, A is nothing but G. So, F
G.
is equal to
mg.
F equal to mg. Very good. According to Newton's gravitational force, last class, like this one.
Yes, sir.
First gravitational force, that means like this one.
Gm by r square. Yes, sir.
Yeah, same. So, in the same way, F is equal to capital G, capital M, small
Capital
m
M
by R
by
square.
r square.
Yeah, this is equation 1, this is equation 2.
Equate.
Now, equation 1 and 2 equal. Therefore, small m cancel.
G equal to Gm by r
So,
square.
small g is equal to capital G, capital M by R square.
Yes, sir.
This is the formula for the relation between small g and capital G.
Capital G.
Okay. Sometimes, generally, density is equal to mass by volume.
Mass is
Mass
equals
is
to
equal to density into
density
volume.
into volume.
Now here, G is equal to capital G as this. Capital M, it is like we consider as a sphere.
Sphere.
So
Sphere
density is
volume.
nothing but rho.
Rho.
Volume is nothing but
4 by 3 pi r cube.
by R square.
R square.
Now remove the cube R here square.
Yes, sir.
What happens to G is equal to
Rho G into rho into 4 by 3 pi r.
So G is equal to once again really what
4 by
first two constants before 4
by
3
3
by R
by
rho
rho G.
G. This is the relation between the small g and capital G. That
Capital
means
G.
the relation between acceleration
Acceleration due to
gravity.
gravity at the place of planet and gravitational constant.
Okay. మొత్తం 5 questions complete. This
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes, sir.
ఓకేనా ఈ
Okay.
5 questions ఎనఫ్ 4 మార్క్స్.
Yes.
యాక్చువల్లీ ఏంటంటే ఈ లెసన్ లో 2 మార్క్స్ యాక్చువల్ గా అడిగాడు. ఇన్ కేస్ అడిగితే ఓ 2-3 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ఒకసారి చూద్దాం, డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం.
Okay.
నీ దగ్గర 2 మార్క్స్ ఓపెన్ చేయి.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this one. What is the first question?
State the units and dimensional formula of universal gravitational constant.
Universal gravitation constant is nothing but G.
Yes, sir.
G is equal to, like, for example, F is equal, generally F is equal to capital G, M1, M2 by R square. Cross multiplication. G is equal to F R square by
capital
M square. This is this units and dimension formula, like this one. Why? Because F is units is nothing but newtons.
Meter.
R is units nothing but meter square. M is nothing but mass is nothing but kg square.
Kg. Newton meter square by kg square.
Yeah, what is the dimension formula?
M minus 1 L3 T power minus 2.
Next question.
State vector form of Newton's law of gravitation.
Same, ikkada ide formula, but you can write vector notation.
Yes, sir.
Like, see here, it is nothing but unit vector. Unit vector means nothing but a bar
R
by mod.
R. Yes. F bar equal to minus G M1 M2 by R square. Yes, sir.
Next question chunana.
Next question. If the gravitational force of the Earth on the moon is F, what is the gravitational force of the moon on the Earth? Do these forces form an action-reaction pair?
Simply, the gravitational force of moon on the Earth is equal to action reaction ante minus F. Yes, they from action reaction pair.
Yes, sir.
Next question chunana.
Next question. What would be the change in acceleration due to gravity G at the surface of the Earth if the radius of the Earth decreases by 2%, keeping the mass of the Earth constant?
G is equal to ఇది
G,
రిలేషన్ అన్నమాట.
yes, sir.
G is equal to
G into 1 minus D by R.
కొద్దిగా బ్లర్ ఉంది ఇక్కడ నీ మెటీరియల్ ఉంటుంది. నెక్స్ట్ ఇది ఇంపార్టెంట్, వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. దిస్ వన్ మేబీ ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్, లైక్ దిస్ వన్. సి
What would be the change in acceleration due to gravity at the surface if the radius of the Earth decreases by 2%, keeping the mass of the Earth constant?
yes, simply delta R by R 100% is equal to ఎంత ఇచ్చినానా?
2%.
Percentage. So G is equal to
Gm by R square.
so small g is equal to nothing but R is going to that side minus 2 delta R by into percent. అదే ఐడియా ఉంది percentages.
Yes, sir.
చెక్ చేయనా?
Okay, sir.
So minus 4 is nothing but decrease.
Decreases by
Next question.
4%. Next question. As we go from one planet to another planet, how will the mass and the weight of the body changes?
ఏంటన్నా క్వశ్చన్ మీ దాంట్లో చదువుతున్నావా?
Yes.
ఏం క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటది?
As we go from one planet to another planet, how will the mass and weight of the body changes?
Yes. చూడు ఆన్సర్ ఎట్లా ఉంటుంది.
Mass does not change. Weight changes from planet to planet.
అంతే కదా నాన్న?
Yes, sir.
G is changes from, for example, ఎర్త్ కు మా మూన్ కు డిఫరెన్స్ ఏంటి? 1/6 ఆఫ్
gravitation.
అవునా? రైట్. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఏముంది?
Next question. Keeping the length of a simple pendulum constant, will the time period be the small on all planets? Give the reason.
Simple word. T is equal to 2 pi root of L by root. Idea ఉంది నాన్న?
Yes, sir.
T is inversely proportional to root G. G value will be changes from planet to planet. So T is also changes. Next one.
Give the equation for the value of G at a depth D from the surface of the Earth. What is the value of G at the center of the Earth?
Idena, what are the factor of?
No, sir. Depth. Gravitational depth. GD equal to G into 1 minus D by R.
Wait, ఇంకొకసారి ఇక్కడ చూద్దాం. Okay. This one,
Yes, sir.
GD equal to G into 1 minus D by R.
Yes, sir.
At the center of the Earth, D is equal to 0.
0.
Okay, next one.
What are the factors that make G the least at the equator and maximum at the pole?
What are the
factors that make G the least at the equator and maximum at the poles?
అది మనకు ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ జస్ట్ ఆ ఫార్ములా యూజ్ చేస్తాం. Phi is equal to equator line G phi is equal to minus G minus R.
R omega square cos square R.
Cos square pi by 2. G is phi equal to 0 cos phi is nothing but 1. 1 into R omega square. Okay. So at equatorial
radius is maximum. Rotational effect is maximum.
At poles?
At poles phi equal to 90 degrees.
Cos 90 is nothing but 0. Total value is also
G.
So G phi is equal to G.
G.
At the pole, the polar radius is
minimum.
No rotational effect. Hence
G is maximum.
G maximum. Next one.
Hydrogen is in abundance around
very
the
important.
sun.
ఇది sometimes repeat అయింది చాలా సార్లు క్వశ్చన్ ఇది ఒక్కొక్కసారి. Read.
Hydrogen is in abundance around the sun and less around the earth. Explain. On the
earth and the sun.
Escape velocity 11.2 km per second is less
అది
than.
ఆల్రెడీ మనకు ఐడియా ఉంది కదా.
Yes, sir.
Less than.
Is less than the RMS velocity, root mean square velocity of the hydrogen gas.
On the earth and sun.
Escape velocity 620 km per second is highly greater than the root mean square velocity of the hydrogen gas.
So
hence hydrogen is abundance around the sun and less around the earth.
Idea వచ్చేసింది కదా.
Yes, sir.
Next one.
What is the time period of revolution of geostationary satellite? Does it rotate from
Already
west?
T is equal to 24 hours.
It revolves from west to east.
Next one.
What are polar satellites? A satellite that revolves in a polar orbit is called polar satellite. It goes around the earth in north-south direction. T is approximately 100 meters.
Very good. Right. ఒకసారి ఇండెక్స్ ఓపెన్ చేయనా ఈ మెటీరియల్ లో.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
How many lessons completed?
1 minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, sir.
9 కంప్లీట్ అయినా? ఎస్. ఈ 9 నువ్వు పర్ఫెక్ట్ గా క్లారిటీగా నేను ఒకసారి క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ పంపిస్తాను. నువ్వు నాకు మ్యాక్సిమం 9 పవన్ సార్ అడుగు టెస్ట్ రాసి నీకు పంపిస్తా ఓకే నాకు పంపిస్తాంటే.
ఓకే సార్.
ఒకసారి చెక్ చేసుకో. ఎందుకంటే నాన్న మనం ఎంత వెళ్ళిపోయినా వేస్ట్. దానికి రివిజన్ చేసుకొని పర్ఫెక్ట్ గా ఒకసారి రాసి చెక్ చేసుకుంటేనే ఐడియా వచ్చేస్తుంది.
ఓకే సార్.
ఓకేనా? నేను ఒకసారి క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ పంపిస్తా ఒకసారి చెక్ చేసుకొని వీలైతే నాకు మామూలుగా మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి కాల్ చేపి సార్తో.
ఓకే సార్.
అంటే నీకు ఎంత వరకు పోర్షన్ వచ్చిందో అంతవరకు చెక్ చేసుకో ఒకసారి.
ఓకే సార్.
అలా చెక్ చేయాలంటే నువ్వు ఒకసారి రివైజ్ చేయాలి మొత్తం లెసన్స్.
ఎస్ సార్.
ఇప్పుడు లాంగ్ ఆన్సర్స్ క్లారిటీ ఉందా?
ఎస్ సార్.
అన్ని మొత్తం 3 లెసన్స్.
ఎస్ సార్.
ఓకే. ఇప్పుడు నెక్స్ట్ క్లాసెస్ ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయి ఇప్పుడు?
నెక్స్ట్ తెలియదు సార్.
ఓకే. ఓకే అంతవరకు నువ్వు ఏం చేయాలంటే ఒకసారి మొత్తం ఫిజిక్స్ రివైజ్ చేయనా.
ఓకే సార్.
ఎందుకంటే లెసన్స్ బాగానే అయిపోతున్నాయి. బట్ ఏంటంటే నువ్వు క్లారిటీ ఎలా చదువుతున్నావు నాకు ఐడియా లేదు ఇంకా ఇప్పుడు. ఎందుకంటే టెస్ట్ రాయలే కదా. ఓకేనా? బాయ్ నాన్న. నేను మళ్ళీ సార్తో మాట్లాడి చెప్తాను.
ఓకే.